because I've never ever eaten roasted meat from that place.
Bwana mafuta.
So today is actually on Sunday, and I'm seated here trying to get my laundry done, and I just thought, why don't I like just vlog something and see how it goes. I'm not even sure if I'll be posting this. Either way, today's on Sunday. I do have a lot of laundry. I do have a lot of laundry that I'm working on, and I feel like everything in my house is just dirty. So I have had that, what is it called, laundry basket full. I have washed this, I have also washed this. So, and before you judge me, I'm sitting on the, is it the toilet seat? Yeah, on the toilet seat. So I'm feeling kind of hungry and a little bit of lazy. Woo! Woo, 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 woo. Oh, what's going on? And a little bit of lazy. My powder soap just fell down. And yeah, I feel like everything lately is a struggle. I feel like everything lately with me is a struggle, so bear with me. I'm really trying. I really like needed a weekend or a Sunday reset vlog, you know, those kinds of vlogs. I do enjoy watching those kinds of vlogs, so I don't know, I'm gonna figure out something. But either way, I'm currently doing my laundry. I want to actually like just finish, go get some meal. I'm not sure what I'm going to get, but I feel like eating beef, so there's that. Then I've left all my sheets. I haven't washed my sheets. I think I'll wash them during the week. And also my, what are they called? Shoes. I'll do my shoes during the week. So I just want to use all the energy I have left in me to deal with the trousers that are currently in the laundry bin, to rinse the clothes that I've already washed, then figure out that meal because I'm just about to faint. Now I've just added more trousers over here, and the trousers are a little bit too dirty because it's actually a rainy season and there is a lot of mud out there, so I don't know, especially the jeans. I just want to avoid wearing jeans because I feel like I'm so lazy to like just pick a scrub and scrub them. So I think I'll just be wearing like the normal cotton or fabric trousers so that I have an easy time washing them. So I've just finished washing and the weather has just turned to be cold, like the clouds are here. I just remember I was supposed to wash my net, which I haven't, so I'll be washing that when I do the sheets. I haven't washed the sheets. My bed is in a mess because I kept there all the sheets that I was supposed to wash. I'm hungry. I want to go and look for food. I haven't decided. I'm thinking about buying raw meat, coming and cooking it, or buying roasted meat with some garlic. So let me head out and see. But I'm really, really hungry. And let me get some food before it starts raining. What am after? Nafungana saa ngapi? Unaweza tumia Safaricom na unaweza tumia Airtel. So I'm out of breath. So I did settle for roasted meat and some ugali. I bought some salad too because I don't have salad at the moment in my house. I bought some juice. It has been a while. I don't know. I feel like this container and this one looks a little bit bigger. And they're all quencher 2 liters. I don't know, maybe because it's empty. But I have been craving this juice for the longest. So I bought some juice. Also bought some ketchup because I need to. I love this one. I don't know why. I need to make some kachumbari for the food. Then I bought some ugali takeaway. I don't know why I'm making takeaway food. And some roasted beef. So let me just make the kachumbari and then eat because I'm so hungry. So I'm not even gonna lie. This, let's put it far away. I'm going to make my kachumbari over here because most of my dishes needs cleaning. I haven't washed them. So let's see how good this can get. Because I've never ever eaten roasted meat from that place. Ow! Ow! I think I just sliced myself. I've never eaten roasted meat from that place, but my friend recommended the place to me, I think sometime back. So I just decided today I go and try. I've made the, what are they called? Tomatoes. Then I'm adding inside some onions. I don't need a lot of onions, but I'll be adding some salt, the hot and sweet that I just bought, and the beef. Okay, what's going on? I want it on one side of the container so that I can just add my beef over here. Then add some salt again to the beef. I don't know if the beef had some salt. Then place the ugali. So this is what we are. This is some ugali, some beef, some kachumbari. Oh, I haven't added the sauce yet. This is the hot and sweet that I'm going to be adding. So let me just eat and hope it just tastes yummy. So I just arrived from work and I had earlier on like aired my clothes, so I want to go and take them. This is what I wore. Some clothes, shoes, the shoes, and I do have stockings. I do love stockings, especially during the weather that is a little bit cold. So let me just like take the basket. I want to take this basket and I just head out there. Bring my clothes back home. Here are the clothes. I think the 3 or 4 lines.